Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EARS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above 38 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 38, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this previous breakout point, and that sits right around the 34-cent mark. So 38 and 34, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 38 cents, that would be great, but big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward. That's right up there, right around 45, 46 cents. So that's where the party stopped today. All in all, though, I don't want to say resistance levels don't matter, but really just focus on building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So build higher lows, sit back and enjoy the overall movement. But the week is young, still a couple days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.